Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to fix your PS4 game chat and voice chat not working in 2024. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to settings. From settings you're going to go to sound and screen, and then just make sure you have all of my settings copied. Just make sure you might have changed something in the past, where it messed it up. Just make sure everything copied. Now once you're good with that, the second thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to devices. Now from devices, go to audio devices. Now you can see it says input and output devices as none and TV. That's because I don't have a headset connected at all currently, but you most likely will. And once you do, make sure it says for the input device, it says the name of the headset that you have connected. And let's just say it's a different type of name. It's not the one that you have. What you're going to do is you are going to click on input device and just simply change it to the one you have connected into your PS4 controller right now. And same for output device. Now once you do that, the error code should be fixed and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.